make sure that I heard you properly, and if it becomes a subject of discussion later, did you just say to the chair that you know and you interacted with the Matlala Cat VIP people, and so you know that they will not do what the chair is suggesting? Did you just say you interact with them? You know them and you interact with them?
Yes, you remember I've said we worked with them in the state of the city. Then I was able to talk to them.
Okay, so
when the chambers and outside perimeters, yes. Okay. Yes.
So when you say you interact, you know them, it's from that one
I don't know
engagement.
Yes, I don't know all of them, but those that I talked, 2 or 3 of them, especially that supervisor and the 2 of them, you see, I know. And the way they raise issues of, so you could see that they come from the police service. They understand no police service.
Okay.
It's just that
but you say you know only that 3. That 3, and you know them just from that day, you interacted with them just on that day.
No,
that's
even,
what you're saying.
Even the day when I went there, in their offices, I saw the same supervisor and 1. But the 3 of them, the other one I saw him twice, then the other one I saw once.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr.
Commissioner, afternoon.
Afternoon, Commissioner.
You're on page 64, I think, so I don't want to have to come back. That's why I want to deal with this now. You were on 64 of Chief Mapia's lectures. That's where the chair started with you. Remember, we were talking about your signature.
Yes, sir.
And you confirmed that this is your signature.
Yes, I'm confirming again.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, the document starts on page 62, and it is a memorandum of agreement. You've already said it is proposed. I don't have any issue with that. Now, are you authorized in your position, or were you authorized then in your position as Director Specialized Services to sign memoranda of agreement on behalf of the Ekurhuleni municipality?
As I've said, this is the proposed sign. That's why it's even said. That's why I even said again. I'm repeating again, Commissioner.
Commissioner, I said I don't take issue with that. I accept that it is proposed.
Oh, yes.
My question is, were you authorized to sign memoranda on behalf of the Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police Department? Were you authorized, yes or no?
No, at that time, no. As a
You were
director,
not
no.
authorized?
Yes, as a director, no. That's why I was supporting raising it. If I was authorized, it was going to be my one and only signature. That's why it is not my one and only signature. That's why here it say support, then it say approved by Mr. Mzolo, approved by the Chief of Police.
No, I'm not.
That means my powers are limited.
I'm not asking you that.
Oh, no.
Commissioner,
Let me say no.
I'm asking you whether you were authorized, and your answer is no.
Let me say no.
Yes. And then on page 64 of this document, there's your signature there.
Yes.
Now, this document only contemplates the signing by 2 people, which is yourself and Vusimusi Matlala, and you see that on page 65. Do you see that on 65? There's space there for signature by Vusimusi Matlala.
It's supposed to give 3 names.
No.
I see, yes, I see.
That's not what I'm asking you.
Yes, I see.
I'm saying on page 65, there's space for signature by Vusimusi Matlala.
No, I see, Commissioner.
And this memoranda only contemplates signature by you and Vusimusi Matlala. Do you see that?
Yes, I see.
It doesn't make provision for signature by Chief Mapiaya. Do you see that?
Yes, and it was wrong. I agree.
No, but you signed it even though it doesn't make provision for signature by Chief Mapiaya.
Yes. No, in my mind it's always said, I support, it must be approved and approved. It can't be a document that is having powers within that time as a director, or even as a deputy director, it can't be. Or as a deputy chief superintendent.
So you did something wrong by signing a document that does not make provision for approval by Chief Mapiaya?
Yeah, I accept 100%.
Yes.
I accept.
No, that's all I wanted
Yes,
to
I accept
establish
100%.
with you.
Yes.
And then let's go to page 88, same bundle.
Mr. Mabie again.
Yes, same bundle.
Oh, yes.
Page 88.
Yes.
And because we are now fighting over whether signatures are authentic, on page 90, is that your signature?
Yes, this one is mine.
So you don't have a problem?
No, I don't.
Now let's go back to 88.
But Chair, I don't remember me getting this document,
Now, come on, Commissioner.
No, I want to be honest to you.
Come on, Commissioner.
No, I must be honest to you. Yes, I don't want to buy your face. I don't remember getting a communique around. As I've said that we never communicated formally about Matlala.
No, but on page 90, that's your signature. So you signed the document. You've confirmed that already.
No. There was nothing that came from the Chief of Police to me.
It's not from Chief of Police. It's you to Chief of Police.
Let me read it. Oh, yes. Now I get it.
No,
I think I'm getting tired. Humble apologies.
I will accept the apology for now.
Humble apologies.
So this is your document. You signed it.
Can I read it? Yes.
Take some time.
The first paragraph. Oh. Yes, the first paragraph. Yes.
The second paragraph, heading background, and it says, I would like to confirm that we have a working relationship with CAT Security Services and its subsidiaries, Medicare 24 Emergency Medical Services. Now, if there was no memorandum of understanding concluded between EMPD and CAT or Medicare Emergency Medical Services, what is the document that governed that relationship that you describe in the first sentence of that paragraph?
There is no document. It was just me communicating and relating that we are working with them and everything. I think was when I responded when I was about to be suspended. I wrote documents in order to inform him. That's why I told Chief Supeni Rasmus that no, but I communicated with the chief. I responded to the Chief of Police. You see, but he never sent something formal back to me.
Listen to the question. My question is not whether you communicated with other people. My question is, what document governed that relationship that you describe in the first sentence?
From the city, there is no document.
So there was no document?
Yes, there's no document.
So there was the working relationship with CAT Security Services and its subsidiary, Medicare 24 Emergency Medical Services, without a written document?
Yes, from 2020, yes, I agree.
And who represented the city of Ekurhuleni or EMPD in entering into that working relationship?
It's different. 2020, 2021, 2022, in terms of college, it was another director. But in terms of VIP and everything, as I've said earlier on, I said it is me who communicated this. Yes.
Because I suspect Advocate Sillo might come back to this document, I won't deal with all of
Yes.
it. Let's go to 89. I'm going to skip the next 2 pages. Do you see paragraph 3 on page 89?
Submissions.
No, where it says crime combating operations.
Oh, yes.
It says, we are also involved in crime combating operations with CAT security services, together with other security services that are committed in crime fighting around the city. Now, what document governed that relationship which allowed you to be involved in crime combating operations with CAT services?
There's no document, but I've said, Commissioner, operational on the ground members are working with these members and everything. But there's no formal document.
There's no formal document.
Yes.
And then on the next page, you continue. You say CAT Security Services is assisting EMPD.
It's page 90.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
By providing additional technology. What is that technology that CAT Protection Services was providing to EMPD?
It was not yet implemented, you see, but we were promised that they will assist us in terms of tracking and tracing the wanted suspects. In fact, we are working with other companies, like, for example, the digital, where you are parking a car, you are able to detect cars that are moving. And it tells you, no, this is a stolen.
Commissioner, my question was what document? Either there's a document or there's no document. So what document governed that relationship?
I've said there's no document.
There's no document.
Yes.
And then my next question was, what is the technology that was being provided? And you can say there was no technology that was being provided.
There was no technology yet, yes.
So why do you say that CAT Security is providing technology? Why do you not say in the future they might do so?
I think it's my English.
No, it bothers me. It bothers me because you were asked to give reasons why you should not be suspended in 2023. And you were asked to explain EMPD's relationship with CAT services, CAT security services, which means in this document, you were describing the relationship that was existing. You were not talking about things that were to happen or might happen in the future. And what you are describing here is quite serious because it suggests that although there was no written document between EMPD and CAT security services, CAT was in fact doing crime fighting together with EMPD. And the only way they could have done that is because you gave them permission to do so, because you are the one who brought them to EMPD.
On that, I agree. I agree.
That worries me.
Yes.
That worries me. Because forget all the other things that we have been debating, whether MOUs were entered into or not. Here you are confirming, and you've signed this document, and I will read to you. They are assisting EMPD by providing additional technology of monitoring the actions and movements of criminals, tracking suspects. Yes. They have no business tracking suspects, and other resources we use. So you're not saying resources that we may need in the future. You're saying the resources you are using at the time.
Yes.
When engaging, chasing, and arresting of these highly trained, skilled, and repeat offenders that are not afraid to fight back with the police when cornered.
I agree.
So these are the things that EMPD was doing with CAT security services.
No, we have not yet worked with them on this. We have not yet.
But this is what your letter says.
Yes. In fact, it was supposed to say you are intending in future. You are correct when you say I was supposed to say.
Now, where is that intent recorded?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. You are correct when you say it was supposed to say. But now it's saying we are working. I'm saying you are correct, Commissioner.
But was CAT doing those things?
No, not yet. No. He hasn't. He never did did that with us.
Sorry, can I just want, Ms. I just want to ask a
Yes, indeed,
question now that there's been this discussion about VIP CAT. I know that's not what you were on, but
Quite
just
not.
so that I don't forget this
Yes.
question. Commissioner, can you hear me?
Yes, now, yes.
You said to us that you went to CAT VIP offices. This is in Pretoria.
Yes.
That's the one in Pretoria?
Yes. Next to
Okay.
Mendimon, yes.
Why would you use the services of a company that is based in Pretoria when you are a completely different metropolitan and you have your own security companies in Ekurhuleni? Why would you go out there?
Commissioner, you remember I've said that they motivated the guys that are coming from task force. You see, we wanted the service of the guys that they are able to, in shooting range, they're working with them, that's very good. The guys that are employed, you see. We wanted that service of those guys. In fact, not the company per se, but the experience and the skills and everything in that. Yes.
Is that why you went to?
Yes.
You didn't check other companies in Ekurhuleni, other security companies. You didn't ask you guys, what about the other companies? Do they not have special task force people, if that's what you were interested in?
No. My guys motivated those guys because they know them.
And you had no problem procuring a service for the metropolitan of Ekurhuleni from a Pretoria company?
No,
You
remember,
didn't see any problem with that?
yes, Commissioner, some are residing within the area. That's why they know them. You
No, the company, no.
Oh, the company,
Let's
no.
not.
Oh, yes.
The company is in Pretoria.
Yes.
It's out of your metropolitan area. Maybe let me put this to you. It is of curiosity, at the very least, that you would go out to a company that you tell us you knew nothing about. You didn't. Your members told you about it, but it's not in Ekurhuleni. You go to Pretoria and you employ. You agree to enter into an agreement with them, an agreement that's deeply problematic. And that later on we know is quite controversial. It's the point of curiosity that you would have gone to Pretoria.
Yes. Commissioner, I think again to be close to Mike and motivating and my members, it led me. I didn't even think it on that way that they are far, but to be close to Mike and say, no. There's this guy, these guys, and my guys again. You see, I took it that, but I didn't think the way that they're too far, and you see.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, Commissioners.